All right, let's check in now with the forecast. Mallory, it's a chilly one out there today for this Thanksgiving.
Yes, it was. And really, this cold air, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So it's here to stay as we wrap up November and kick off December next week. For your Black Friday, we should all see a lot of sunshine. I know today we had a mix of sun and clouds. If you live along or south of the parkways, you likely had sunshine for most of the day. We were still fighting some cloud cover in the Louisville metro off and on, but we will have a lot more of that sunshine tomorrow, but we'll struggle to make it out of the 30s. Overnight lows both tonight and tomorrow night fall into the 20s. Saturday. All right, this is an interesting forecast here. So we're going to have more clouds around Saturday. We could have some light snow Saturday afternoon, evening before that transitions to all rain overnight. So actually the warmest temperatures of the weekend will likely occur Saturday night into Sunday morning. That rain exits by Sunday morning and those temperatures start to drop from there. Not looking at accumulating snow for most of us. Could see maybe some slushy amounts in the grass in southern Indiana, but the Kentucky side of things likely just kind of a messy rain snow mix. Obviously rivalry week, that's such a hard word to say. Rivalry and Indiana at Purdue tomorrow. It's going to be a cold game. Temperatures in the mid 20s at kickoff, falling into the lower 20s. We will see clouds increase, but staying dry there. Obviously, the U of L UK game is on Saturday. We've been keeping a close eye on this forecast. We know it's going to be cold, mid to upper 30s, probably throughout much of the game. A wind speed around 10 miles per hour. Could see some flurries, I think, by the end of the game, but the bulk of that rain snow mix really holds off, it looks like, through early evening. There's going to be high pressure, and that brings in dry air. So any kind of moisture streaming in from the west will have some dry air to overcome. Satellite and radar, you can see clear skies at this time. So the clouds we have earlier did clear out. The main problem spots for Thanksgiving: lake effect snow here. So you can see all those bands coming off the lake. Areas like Cleveland picking up a lot of snow, low visibility as well. But this is pretty much the messiest part of the lower 48 today. There are some showers and storms down in South Florida and also a storm system that's trying to impact the Pacific Northwest. But really, it's a lake effect snow. That's the big weather story for Thanksgiving today. It's been quiet here locally. We're going to stay quiet tonight, mostly clear and chilly. Temperatures down into the 20s. If you are going to venture out for Black Friday, expect a lot of sunshine. That's going to look nice, but when you step out the door, obviously that air is still going to have a bite to it, with those high temperatures only climbing into the 30s tomorrow afternoon. And then, yes, we fall again into the 20s tomorrow night. Clouds increase on Saturday, and you'll notice that snow tries to approach from the west and kind of gets eaten up by the dry air. So this is Saturday afternoon, but by Saturday evening, you can see that rain-snow mix line continuing to lift northward, and then all rain as we head into Saturday night and into Sunday morning before that system exits. Another weather system we'll be watching will be Monday night into Tuesday. That could bring a few inches of accumulating snow. Obviously, that's still days away, so trying to figure out that track and that particular storm system. But expect just a colder pattern as we kick off December here, and a more active one as well. Conroy.